Hey everyone, it's Carissa Wiley at sprinkledwithglitter.com, and I wanted to invite you to the Cardmakers Success Summit happening March 6th through 10th. This event is completely free and it's for card makers just like you and me. There are 50 speakers at this event, so there's tons of content to consume, and each day's content will be available for just 24 hours for our free event attenders. Now, I am also offering a free gift when you sign up for the All Access Pass with this event, and there is a special limited pricing on that, so you can click the link below to check out all the information that you need. And when you sign up using my link, I will share an exclusive video that's not available on my YouTube channel, and it's called Creating a Workspace That Works for You with me, and you're gonna get some exclusive sneak peeks at my craft room. So that will be shared with you automatically when you sign up for the All Access Pass using my link. If you don't want to sign up for the All Access Pass, that's totally okay, because this event is free for you. Be sure to join us for the kickoff on March 6th, and my class is happening on March 10th. That's a Sunday, so you'll be able to join me for a 3-card project video featuring ways to dress up your shaker windows. So we're doing a little window dressing. I hope you'll join me. Check the link below for all the information that you need. And until next time, I hope you have a fabulous day.